In this video, I'm about to show you how to check eBay's authenticity tag. On eBay.com, authenticity guarantee is currently available for sneakers, handbags, and other luxury accessories, watches, streetwear, jewelry, and trading cards. Check out each category for details on eligibility criteria, available shipping locations, facts, and terms and conditions. For most categories, eBay covers the costs of the authenticity guarantee service, including both the expert inspection and shipping from the authentication facility to you. In some categories, you'll see authenticity guarantee available as an add-on option for lower-priced items. If you purchase the service, you can pay for it along with your item at checkout. All authentication processes and policies remain the same for the optional authenticity guarantee. Buyers are responsible for paying any customs or duties due on imported items that are eligible for authenticity guarantee. If the authenticity of an item can't be verified, or the item's conditions is not consistent with the listing, it won't be sent to you and you'll get your money back. Sometimes an item passes our authenticity check, but there is a minor discrepancy with its listing. If you choose to go ahead, it'll send it to you as an authenticated item. Your purchase will still be eligible for the eBay money back guarantee. If you decline the item, you'll return it to the seller and you'll get a refund. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.